Hello, I am Julian David Espinosa Quintero, and in this video I take about Brazil. For me, it's a pleasure to take about Brazil because this is wonderful country. It is made up of 27 states. In each state we find different cultures, customs and climates. In terms of religions, Brazil is an openly secular country where multiple religions are present take to the different cultures. Some of the many religion groups are evangelics, spiritualists, and Jews. The culture manifested are spectacular. For example, in Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro, they carry out parade of the Samba School. In the historic city, the students organize parties in the streets, and in the Amazon, they celebrate Carnaval, which is a mixture of carnival and folklore. Well, what about the food? It is very delicious in Brazil. It is possible to take a travel of flavors. In the south of Brazil, the most typical is arroz and meat. The meat is a mixture of herbs and boiling water. There is also the carreteiro rice in the Pantanal. It is common to consume this rice. In the southwestern region, we have what is feijoa, pastry, pizza, and others. Finally, in the northern region are wines, water, fish, and roots. Without a doubt, Brazil is incredible. Shouldn't I want to go to the Brazil? Okay, and now talking about everything a bit. Brazil music was developed by African, Portuguese, and American influence, resulting in different unique styles including samba, bossa nova, brega, frevo, and axé. But the most popular by far is samba. Another important form in capoeira, which has both Africa and Brazilian influence, Brazilian influence, combining martial arts, music, and dancing in a fighting style. Hand in hand with music and art, clothing is very important. In fact, the typical cloth of Brazil is very varied and different between each of the country's regions. Some of the most characteristic customs are the following. Typical costume of Salvador de Bahia. It is an example of Afro-Brazilian roots made of thick with cotton. It used daily by women and is usually complemented with colorful Waverly accessories. Typical clothing of Paraíba and Pernambuco, depending of the on the region, there are some variations. However, in general, it consists of a three-button culotte, jacket, tier, narrow pants, and boots. In the case of men, the women wear colorful dresses that almost cover their feet and held boots decorated with buttons on the sides. Typical costume of Rio de Janeiro is characteristic of samba and surely the one that has the greatest international diffusion because it is widely used in the Rio de Janeiro Carnival, where sequins, feather, glitter, and color accessories. Goodbye, thank you Thank you for listening to me for about Brazil.